Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class nursery. Today's topic is its concept of shapes. Its concept of shapes. Okay, your lecture number is 24 for the annual term examination of 2021. Your homework number is 21. Okay. So my dear students, let's start our class. The topic is concept of shapes. In the question, there will be some shape will be given. The students need to write down the name of the shape. I repeat, my dear students, the shape will be given in the question paper. You need to write down only the name of that shapes. Okay. So to do the HW, I am telling you about the HW. Your HW number is 21. Please mention the HW number in the assigned HW copy. After that, I am requesting to the guardian, you must copy the shape and all of these, okay, in the student's copy. Then student will do only what? Only they will write down the name of that shape. That means student will fill up these blank spaces. Okay, this is the task for the student, and all the written will be completed by the guardian. Okay, now my students, let's start our today's class. First shape is, it's a round shape, so this shape is called circle. This is a round, that's why this shape is called a circle. Okay, so we should write down circle here. The name of this shape is circle. The spelling of circle is C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Okay, so the first shape's name is circle, and the circle spelling is C-I-R-C-L-E, circle, because this is round, that's why this shape's name is circle. Okay, the second one, activity B, this is a quadrilateral, but what kind of quadrangle or quadrilateral this is? Look at the quadrilateral, there are 4 sides and all the sides are equal. That's why the name of this shape will be square. The name of this quadrilateral is square, so this shape is square, my dear students, and the spelling of square is S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Okay, S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Okay, my dear students, this shape is square, and the spelling of square is S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Okay, now the third one, the third shape is a rectangle. It's also a quadrangle, but its specific name is rectangle. Okay, because the opposite sides are equal. My dear students, the name of this shape is rectangle. The spelling of rectangle is R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. Okay, R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. Now the last one, the last shape has 3 sides, so it's a triangle, my dear students. It's a triangle. Okay, the spelling of triangle is T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. The spelling is very, very important. Please don't do the mistake to write down the spelling of this shape. My dear students, the name of the first shape is circle, C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Okay, the second one's name is square. The spelling of square is S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Then the third shape, this shape is a rectangle, and the spelling of rectangle is R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. And the last one, it's a triangle shape, so the spelling of triangle is T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. I hope, my dear students, you have understood my today's lecture. Please submit your HW copy in every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. See you again inshallah with a new topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.